Hey guys and dolls, welcome back to the makeup community. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for checking us out. My name's Chris. You're going to notice in my voice and my hands that I have tremors. It's called Parkinson's syndrome, and that's kind of how everything got started. I wanted to show that just because you have some challenges, that does not mean you have to give up what you love. And I love makeup, and it kind of grew from there to being we want this to be a community of people who just love makeup, whether you are a pro or a newbie or just enjoy it. They wanted, this to be a fun, safe place to be able to talk about everything makeup. So today I am showing my Sephora hauls, and I do mean with an S because I did a couple days over each weekend that I got 20% off. I am not saying that you guys need to run out and get all of these products at all. I plan for these sales. So throughout the year, if I see something that I really want, but is maybe more than what I'm comfortable spending at the time, I will actually save for the sale to get that 20% off. And also, if I need to order things that I use all the time, I get that during the sale, just save a little bit of money. So got a bunch to show you today. Some of it I've tried out, some of it I'm waiting to try out and tell you what I think of it on camera. So we're going to start with the eyes, and we are going to start with two Pat McGrath eyeshadow palettes. I've got the Bronze Ambition here. This is not a limited edition. And then I have a Bronze Temptation here. This is limited edition. It's the same kind of packaging, but as you can see, it's a special packaging here. And it's so beautiful. Both of these palettes are gorgeous. And I love them. And they really kind of go together. So that's how I used them, was together. That's actually what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. They are soft and buttery and just gorgeous and fun and everything that everybody said Pat McGrath eyeshadows are. I was a little hesitant, but now I'm glad I got them. So I'm going to go into the Bronze Ambition first, and this is what that looks like. So we've got 5 shimmers and 1 matte in this one. So I am going to start with Guilt Trip, which is a light gold. So beautiful. There's that. And then I am going to go into Bronze Struck, which is a darker gold, center top row. Beautiful darker gold color right there. And then we're going to go into Copperized. This is one of the most beautiful coppers I have ever used. Look at that shine. So beautiful. These eyeshadows are just amazing. So let's go down to Illicit. This is like a brown, purple, metallic, just goddess shade right there. Look at that. Look how rich that is. So next we are going into the 1 matte shade. It's in the center of the bottom row here, and that is called Throwing Shade. This medium brown. It's a beautiful transition color, but it also, you can shear these out, you can blend them, you can pack them up. And I see myself doing a more kind of neutral eye, really with just this, with a, a little more intense in the crease and lighter on the lid and lighter up top. And the last one in here is Gold Rush. It is this beautiful gold on the bottom there, and it is gorgeous. Look at that. So that is the Bronze Ambition palette from Pat McGrath. Now, since I have so much of this, I'm not going to go into too much detail in each item, but I will list them in the description box below. And you can find everything on Sephora.com. So let's go into this Bronze Temptation palette. It is a limited edition palette, which is part of the reason why I got it. Originally I was just going to get one, and then I couldn't decide between these two. So yeah, I figured I'd better get it. So here is what this looks like. Is that not just beautiful? It is sublime. So we have 2 mattes, 4 shimmers in this one, and I am going to start with Celestial, which is this light color here, that light metallic. It's like a champagne pop. I don't think seeing it online does it justice. Seeing it in my monitor there does not do it justice at all. So beautiful. Then we're going into Burning Desire, and it is a medium tone brown right there, and this is a matte. I use this as my transition shade today. And one of the most beautiful colors in this palette is Supernova, and that is this teal right there, that teal blue. Oh my gosh, I mean, look at that, the saturation, the color, just, oh, I'm not supposed to say pigmented. So, I mean, the color saturation is absolutely gorgeous. So we're going to go next into Dark Paradise, which is this matte, darker brown here. It's got more of a warm undertone. Isn't that beautiful? Love that. The next one is a darker copper, and it is called Corruption. It's this center one right here. It's darker. It has got pink. Comes out with a little more of a pink base. Oh, I love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then the last one is Provocatrix. This is beautiful. It's this one right here at the end. I'll show you Provocatrix. Look at that color. So that is the Bronze Temptation Pat McGrath 6-pan shadow. So beautiful. If it wasn't limited edition, I would have waited to get it, but I could not pass that up. And the Bronze Ambition had been on my list. I had actually been waiting for the sale to get that. So next up, for the eyes, I got these. I've heard such good things about these. I got the Milk Makeup Waterproof Eyeliners, and I got CEO, which is dark matte brown, and Boss, which is black. And oh my gosh, so I took CEO out for a test drive. These are awesome. It stayed in my waterline like for longer than any other eyeliner I think I've ever used. My eyes water no matter what. Now, the only thing I'm not too whippy about is the white, you know, matte. It gets dirty, but you know, that's okay. So you got your sharpener, you got your color. Well, the sharpener, the color's on the other side. Sorry. Here we go. Really, I mean, smooth. Smooth gel liner. Totally waterproof, totally smudge proof. I love these. They're taking over Urban Decay as far as my favorite liner, I believe. So these are fantastic, and I highly, highly, highly recommend. Right now they only have, I think, 5 shades. So hopefully they'll come out with more shades, but I just got the basic ones because I wanted to test them out. And the best thing about the best thing about Sephora is even if you get it on sale, I mean, you can take anything back. So I got the Becca Anti-Fatigue Under Eye Primer. And this is just a primer to use under your eyes to kind of smooth everything out. There you go. And just smooth everything out, make everything look a little bit brighter. And I need that. I don't know about you guys, but I am the queen of dark circles, I think. So to round out the eyes, I got the Kevyn Aucoin NudePop Eye Palette. Now this I'm going to do a video of its own because I have never had Kevyn Aucoin before. I picked up one other thing that was Kevyn Aucoin, but I actually got that at Marshall's. So I am waiting to try that until I try this. But since I'm doing the own video on this, I will swatch this in the video. But in the meantime, there are the colors. They are so beautiful. You can see the different textures in there. I am super excited about that one. I suppose I could do my own videos on the Pat McGrath eyeshadows, but like its own video, we'll see. You know what? Comment down below if you want to see that, if you want me to do the Pat McGrath eyeshadows and their own video and do more of a tutorial. So, face. I reordered my NARS Orgasm blush. I have used this for years. I can't even tell you which number this is as far as me, you know, which ones I've had. But it is the perfect shimmering peachy pink that looks good on everybody. I mean, I cannot think of a shade of skin that this would not look good on. It's beautiful. It seems like it'd be too pale on dark skin, but believe you me, if you have, you know, rich, dark skin, it'll look beautiful on you too. And then I ran out of my Too Faced Born This Way powder, and I decided instead of getting that, I got the Peach Perfect setting powder, because you know, I've heard such good things about it. It's supposed to be absolutely amazing. If I don't like it, I can always return it and get the regular one. So this is what it looks like. You got your and then I'm not going to open it up, but it has a flip top to keep it, you know, if you're traveling, it's not going to, you know, spill out into the top and fly everywhere. So there's that. And then I gave this a shot. I love it. It's the Huda Beauty Concealer. I was a little hesitant about buying this because it is a matte finish. It's the Overachiever Concealer. Excuse me. But, oh my gosh, you would not believe a little tiny drop of this goes a long way. It really does conceal everything. I am not a fan of the applicator. This is the applicator there. It's, you know, metal, it's cooling, it feels good going on, but it's a mess. It does get really messy. I mean, all you have to do is really wipe it off. It's not that big of a deal, but it does get messy. A little bit of this goes a long way. It covers everything. I love this concealer. Is it going to bump out the Tarte Shape Tape? Maybe. We'll see. I'll have to use a lot more. I only used it once. So, lips. The first thing, you know, first things first, I got the Fresh Destination Sugar. You got 3 of the sugar balms in there. These are fantastic. I use them all the time. They're so moisturizing. So you get the rose, the tulip, and the petal in here. And basically they're just sheer washes of pink, some brighter than others. I love these. I've used these for years. They're just wonderful. So the Fresh Destination Sugar Set, this would make a really good gift. I should probably put it on the Christmas gift video. I love that. So I also got the Marc Jacobs On the Dot Liquid Lip Crayon Collection. So I have never used these. Why don't we try these out together? Why don't we figure these out together? So let's see. I do believe, I don't understand the whole, how can they be a liquid lip and a crayon at the same time? So let's see what they do. This is kind of fun. I figure, you know, 25 bucks for 3 of them. Why not? Let's try them out. All right, so let's start with Ready to Go. All right, so that is red. Let's try this. Oh, wow, that is very smooth. That is, it's smoother than the NARS pencils, actually. All right, there's Ready to Go. And then Night Mauves. This is a pretty mauvey pink. This is very smooth. I wonder how they're going to wear, though. I mean, are they going to wear like a liquid? Or are they, you know, just balmy? I don't know. I'll try these out and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, and then Plum and Get It. I'm assuming this is a dark plum. If I can get it open, there we go. Now, that's a beautiful color. Oh, wow, that'd be great for fall. I should start wearing that. try these out and let you guys know how they wear. It'd be really nice if they were like a liquid, but they go on a lot smoother than the NARS pencils. So we'll see how they do. I'm pretty excited. So that is the Marc Jacobs On the Dot 3-piece Le Marc Liquid Lip Crayon collection. All right there. So the last two, I got Pat McGrath lipsticks. I have heard wonderful things about them, and it was kind of like the eyeshadows where I really wanted them, but you know, I waited for the sale. So one is limited edition and one is the regular. We'll start with the regular. Look at this packaging. I mean, this packaging is just, there we go. This is so beautiful. This color is $19.95, and this is in the matte collection. Just says a lipstick, but I know it's a matte. And this is a neutral, very pretty kind of neutral pink tan. There we go. And that's matte. And I will say, I wore this. It lasted a very long time. Absolutely beautiful. Wait until you see. Look at the case. It's got little lips on it. They are really nice. So far, I really, really, really like it. Now, the second one is a Blitz Trance lipstick. And it is a sparkly, sparkly, sparkly. And I got Flesh Fatale. That's actually what I'm wearing on my lips right now. It's kind of worn off a little bit. Look at the case is all sparkly instead of the black. And it's beautiful. I really like this. It's, you know, it doesn't stay on quite like the matte, but it's very pretty. And it's really soft. I mean, it's, you can feel that it's got glitter in it, but it's not irritating. It's not like, you know, how some glitter lipsticks you feel like you have sand in there and it's irritating. This isn't irritating at all. I love this. I am probably going to have to get some more. Now, they have the limited edition ones that go with the limited edition eyeshadows, but you know, like they have the limited edition packaging, but from what I heard, they have like the colors like $19.95, and that there are a couple that are just limited edition to that, but I don't need any reds. I just got the regular $19.95. I could get 20% off at Sephora instead of purchasing them on the Pat McGrath website, so I just went with those. So that is it. I say that's it, but that is a lot of makeup. I will list every item in the description box below. If you're not familiar with YouTube, if you look immediately under the video, there is an upside down triangle, little gray triangle over here. Click that. It will open up the description box, so it describes my channel, and also at the top I will list all of these for you, and they are all available at Sephora, Sephora.com. So that is it. I will see you guys soon. If you want to put your name in for the big 50 subscriber giveaway, go to my video. It says, you know, giveaway info, 50 subscribers. Watch the video. It's less than 4 minutes long, and it tells you exactly what to do to put in for the gifts, and I show you the gifts. They're awesome. I've got a Kate Spade Live Colorfully perfume set. I've got 2 mascara wardrobes, and I also have a Sephora eye brush collection to give away. So I will talk to you guys in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.